it's Ayanna. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Target haul. So I got some more goodies that I purchased from Target. So with no further ado, let's just hop right into this video. So I have this box right here, and I also have another one on the floor because I did two separate shipments. So let's just show you what I got. I bought the Dove body bar. So I have the soap, and I have this in the lavender scent, and I love using Dove body care products, so I had to buy the soap because I always have the body wash also. And I also have this shaving cream, and the brand is Flamingo, like the bird, you know, keep those legs nice and smooth and clean. I love this. It's my second time purchasing this brand, and it's actually the foaming shave gel, condition and cushions, and it also have aloe vera, and I love this. You guys should give this a try. It's very nice. I love it. And I also have the simple cleansing wipes, and this comes 2 in the packet, so I always buy the 2 in the packet. So this is my makeup wipes. I use my cleansing oil, but some days when I'm traveling or if I'm going away, stay over by my friends or stuff like that, it's always easier to take a cleansing wipes than my makeup oil, cause you don't want it to pour over in your stuff, in your clothing or your luggage. So I have the cleansing wipes, and some days when I don't really want to use my cleansing oil, I just use my makeup wipes, and these are very good. They're great for sensitive skin, so I love them. Yep. And I also have this Sonia Radiant Collection Complexion Brush Set. So there's 10 pieces in the brush set, and the back of the package looks like this, and it have a powder brush, a blush brush, a buffing brush, a fan brush, a brow brush, a tapered brush, highlighting brush, lay down shadow, I guess an eyeshadow brush, and a smudge brush, and a crease brush. So these are the 10 pieces that they have in the packet. And I just show you guys the 10 pieces. So we have all the pieces right here. They are very thick, good quality. You can see that these are very good quality already. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, wow, this feel very high-end quality. The quality of these are very good. It's very thick. I like the rose gold detail right here. The name of the brand is in the white. So this is the brush, and this is like a matte pieces right here, and nice. The bristle is very thick. It's not thick as in hard, but I mean that it's not cheap and flimsy. It don't feel like that. It feels very high quality, very dense. Yes, nice. These remind me of the Fenty Beauty makeup brushes. It looks like it too, with the nude blush pink. This is cute. I can't wait to try them. They are so gorgeous. Fancy. Almost don't want to use them, how cute they are, but they were purchased to use, so they will be used. Okay, so we pack this back in the packet, and we grab the next box to see what else we have in here. Oh, I never tried these before. So I have the Olay cleansing and brightening B3 and vitamin C body wash. So I have the body wash, and I also have the Olay Ring Soft Body Conditioner B3 and coconut oil. So this is like the body conditioner. So I guess you use the body wash first, and you don't have to use it with together. You can use it with other body skincare products, but you condition your skin after you wash it. So this is new to me. Can't wait to try it. And I also have the Olay Pattaya and Cranberry Seed exfoliating face and body powder. So I don't think I'm gonna use this on my face though. I think I would just use this on my body only, because your face is very sensitive, so when I break it easily, so I will use this on my body. So can't wait to try these. And I also made a repurchase on some hair products, my favorite hair products for my natural hair. So this is the Pantene Gold Series. So I repurchased the Moisturizing Boost shampoo. This is infused with argan oil. It said it's for natural transitioning or relaxed hair, so anyone can use it, but I love this brand. Oh my god. Okay. Redo. I love this brand. So this is the shampoo I have right here, and this is the conditioner. So this is a new packaging, but it's the same products, guys. It's the same products, but it's a new sticker that they have on here. I love it. So we have the shampoo, the conditioner. I have the Leave On Detangling Milk. So this is my detangling that I use my leave-in conditioner. I also have the hair cream. So this is the hydrating buttercream. This right here. And I also have the repairing mask. So this is what I use whenever I deep condition my hair. So they have these two kind of conditioners. Whenever I deep condition my hair, I use this mask right here, guys. I'm telling you, this is what the mask look like. How can we get this in focus? Yep, there we go. I'm very heavy-handed with it. I always go through a lot. I had bought two. So I have one that I had to use during my last wash day, but that's still brand new, and I have this other one for backup because I go through these like crazy. So I think that's it for my Target haul. So these are my body care and my hair care products, and some makeup brushes that I never use. So I'm super excited to try these out. Hope you guys buy something from this haul, and thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.